Hey guys, welcome to Dishlaka channel. Guys, today I'm discuss very important topic about the search ads to getting from leads. To getting from leads. So the question is called how to search ads will be set up efficient to get leads. So if you are start any kind of business, how to get the leads? Coming to that, you can search any kind of keyword. They're showing for certain ads will be there. So how we can creating for this kind of search ads to efficiently leads purpose, to efficiently lead purpose. In this purpose, we first of all, in this we have to log in for Google AdWords account. Which one? Google AdWords account. Google.com/AdWords. First of all, what is your business? Everything. And guys, this video is very important. And who will be watching videos? It will be all into Dishtalaga channel. Please subscribe our channel to get ask you any questions for the latest update for this. Now coming to sign in. In this one, how we can get generating for leads? In this will be two options are there, with goal and without goals. In this goal, we have option name is called lead generation. Select the campaign. In this campaign, for the new campaign, the campaign was creating for with goal and without goal. With goal, sale, lead generation, website traffic, everything here. In this, what we can looking for? Leads. Select the lead. So which option we can lead will be supporting for search, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery ads. Smart and discovery ads. In this, we can go for which one? Search. In this, what is your particular leads? Website visit, phone call, shop visit, app download, lead form, submission. Which one we have to be using for? We can go for it in this website and lead form. The lead form on the next step. So we can add in for lead form. Go for continue. So why we can creating for lead form? Easily the people will be follow the application form and fill up and they can increasing for lead purpose. So this ad will be creating for two features. Search within display. But our position will be only for search network purpose. So I'll remove for display one. Well, I'm showing where only for search. Suppose I can show for search and display also. I can show for search and display. Display how we can visible to customers. When open any website, the ad will be shown to customer will be like this. This is the methods. So different types are there here. Here is the types. These all will be display ads. But we are focusing only for search. Target. I'm targeting for is a particular audience 2 crore 88 lakhs. Specific language will be English. Audience will be you can specific not I'm not mentioning specific audience. You can target by each and every audience. Our daily budget we can start minimum 500 onwards. So previous campaign we can compare. They're showing only for daily and the campaign total. But in this campaign they're showing only for daily budget. Will be start on 500 onwards. They will start on 500 onwards. The purpose of conversion. The purpose of conversion. In the ad extension, the option will be site link extensions. What is mean by site link? Here, extra site links. Suppose if ad will be shown to any customers, you can see digital marketing training. Here, these all will be site link extensions. So these all will call out extension. You can add your mobile number also will be here in these options. So here, call extension, same option. Here, lead form. Create a lead form extension. The form visible to the customers on this here. Accept. Here. Learn more, up, play now, book now, contact us, everything. I'm seeking for contact us. Here will be. We can use inquiry form. This is a more precious for the inquiry form here. See this one. Search will be inquiry form is more. So we can give a inquiry form. Headline. and business name and description. So ad will be created will be in this form. What are the contact form required? Here will be required for everything. So here I'm writing for just a marketing services at best price. Services. Solutions. Services at the best price in Hyderabad. Name, only full name, phone number, email address. So here will be everything will be question your wish and image will be your wish, and you can adding by the headline, sent and description. So everything will be here. Visit website, call to action your website. Visit website, download and everything. So we can go for visit website. So form is your wish. Anything you can fill up the things as your depend on your details. So here, save. Here, privacy URL compulsory important. So what are the pending here? You can check it out the pending. So image was pending. So compulsory image will be compulsory upload by a particular option. So in this, select image. So what are the every information is compulsory important. Save. Is it done for form? Form is required depend on your options. And save and continue. Next one, the search network is compulsory is dependent by the keyword that is called complete for 3 matches. The complete for 3 matches that will be here. The keywords are we writing here. In this, everything will be here. These all keywords are ready for I'm uploading for this one. So yeah. So these are the keywords. Next tab will be. So here each campaign will depend on by the campaign and the ad group. Each ad group you can add for number of keywords. But here only I'm adding for one ad group to promoting for my website with these keywords. So in this you can add number of keyword. Just I'm showing for sample keyword how you can adding for this one. So keyword position wise is a low competition, medium and high competition. Depend on you can add by the particular options. So in this I'm adding for this keyword. After click for save and continue. Finally, it is going to the campaign structure. They're going to for campaign structure. So how is in program here. So everything final last come into here in this option. This is the final ad. So previously we are posting some content. Na? That's all will be different. So it is all will be ready. The all content will be coming to this one. Click for done. We can create n number of ads. You can create n number of ads. That all will be displayed by where? The Google certain things. Finally, save and continue. So another two is there that you wish you can creating for the remaining 2 ads. Total we can creating for 3 ads here. Finally, review date campaign daily budget will be 500. When you're selecting for lead option, the campaign total we can't select. Only we selecting for daily budget. Maximum conversion. So we are looking for leads. So leads nothing but conversion part. Lead nothing but conversion. What the location will be target? Hyderabad. What is the campaign goal? We are looking for leads. Language will be, all language will be target. Finally, one ad group, 21 keywords and one ads. Finally, click for publish. After publishing in a particular ad, they go to will be start with the options on the particular campaign. In a campaign, what are the way you can display here? This is a search symbol. They display by the status here is a optimized score, campaign type, impression, interaction rate, average cost, cost option, conversion, cost of conversion, conversion rate, and a bidding strategy type. So these all will be displayed on the particular AdWords campaign structure. We can follow this option and procedure will be followed to convert into leads on your website by using for search network ads that only depend on by when people will search a keyword, they show you your option. In this major important task, each keyword they're asking for 3 matches. That is called broad, phrase, and exact match. When exact the keyword will be matched, they show your ad. Broad match. In a digital marketing agency, agencies also match the showing keyword will be in the Google search results. For example, we can show here is a digital training. What is showing for digital certificate? In a matching for digital marketing. So there's a they're using for phrase match. Digital marketing is a matching for phrase will be matched. They show your customers. So these matches will be used each and every keyword for this. So which keyword is suitable by each keyword? We can add it exact, phrase, and a broad match option. We can use these matches, click for save, and add your campaign structure on the particular format. This will be useful for the Google AdWords persons. The matches compulsory we have to use the each and every keyword by using for search ad. This mean by search network ads compulsory will depend on by the broad, exact, phrase match is the exact. Now you can come into phrase match. This is called double quote. We are showing for internet marketing. Best internet marketing services. The phrase will be matched. Our ad show to the customers on the particular phrase. So follow these policies. Create correct ads and promote your leads to generating for website leads and website traffic. The finally generating for leads. The based on the keyword matches depend on by your keyword selection. So use these options by using for lead form and increase the leads by using option call is lead generation ads on the search network campaign. If any further doubts, please ask me for this channel. And guys, who will be coming to newly platform here can ask the questions. I definitely will be support on the my particular channel comment box. And you can comment me or email me the particular website to interact with me for more detailed purpose. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.